In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. I have got going to talk about today upon a very important factor which is stopping us from becoming a far better human being, a far more effective human being, a far more happy human being. A time draining, energy draining factor, a time and energy draining factor which is stopping us from becoming the best. And if at all we do succeed, if at all we do come to know that what we are doing is a wild goose chase, the sooner we leave it, the better it is. Because it is usurping a precious time from our life, precious energy from our life. And by getting engaged in it, we are spoiling ourselves. We are spoiling our energy, our time, and we are unable to realize, we are unable to realize what we are doing. We are unable to realize about what we are doing. We should not have been doing it actually. We should not have been doing it at all. What is this, by the way? Family politics, friends politics, leg pulling of others. That is called family politics. Friends politics, leg pulling of others, of friends. Certain people with whom we do have apparently a friendly relationship, or where our relationship began in quite a friendlier manner. Today there is a politics. Today there is a leg pulling. Today there are conspiracies. Conspiracies for the relatives, for the friends. If you are not enjoying their company, first of all, we should like them. We should like everybody because that is what the positive thinking teaches us. But suppose you are not enjoying their company. If you are not enjoying their company, create a kind of distance between you and them. Enhance the already existing distance between you and them. Stop seeing them less. Stop spending far lesser time with those people. Stop communication. Reduce drastically your communication with them because you don't like them. I'm not suggesting that you should dislike anyone else. Disliking somebody is a sort of negative thinking, or you can say I don't prefer it. Up to that extent it is okay. Disliking somebody up to an extent, or you feel that I can't make myself happy while being with those people, it is quite okay. But creating a kind of enmity with someone else, creating a kind of you can say a relationship of conspiracies and leg pulling, that is something absolutely negative, quite destructive. Not only, maybe you are thinking that I am harming them and they will be thinking that they are harming you. You have become engaged with those people in a negative activity. My suggestion is that stop doing that thing. You might be thinking, or the loved one, your loved one might be thinking, if he she is involved in this thing, they might be thinking that I can't stop it now because we have gone too far in this on this road in this direction. I think that stop doing this, that they stop doing it, and ultimately either communicate, either do tell them indirectly through someone else, or stop, do tell them indirectly if you can't do it directly, that I don't want to carry on this negative relationship, this negative activity, because it is harming both of us. It is harming both of us. We are unable to concentrate and to focus upon our happiness, our own productivity, our own development, our own progress, our own success. That is why I have decided to quit it. Most probably, they too will understand that this is quite a negative activity and it is usurping, draining time, our precious energy, and they will stop doing it. Or silently stop doing it. Sooner or later, they will come to know that you are not no more their competitor, and you don't consider them as your competitor. You don't consider them as your opponent, your enemy. You don't want to make a friendly relationship with them. It is quite okay. It is quite okay. It is quite okay, because you can't make everyone else as your friend. It is not possible. You need few friends only. You don't need each and everyone else as your friend. But if you do want to make friendship with those people, that is nice. It is up to you actually. You need few friends only. Whom to choose as a friend? It is between the two of you. Between the two of you. So this energy draining, time draining, energy draining activity, maybe we started it unknowingly, unintentionally, but we have gone too far on this direction. This must be stopped. The sooner the better, because it is a wild goose chase. The sooner the better. Thank you. Jazakallah.